Sorry guys, so we just got off the exit, man. Holy cow, was it. First off, I didn't want to film the interstate anyway. It was boring as can be, but man, it was super windy. Yeah, it was just extremely windy. We're almost to Heritage Park. Get off the interstate, a couple turns. It should be pretty neat. Kind of show you. Line up is at 11, so I think we're pretty early. We're about 15 minutes early, so we'll see how many bikes are there. But you'll see bikes everywhere. The state look like yeah, local pulling in. Gonna see tons of stuff. Look at that, decked out. Got the combat vets out here, kind of helping, volunteering. Super cool. All the bikes, all the presents, man, it helps out. Got, looks like TV crew out here. Wish I had some cool pajamas. This thing will get filled up, guys. I mean, it's insane how This is awesome, guys. I haven't been talking, I've just kind of been zoned out, man, but how awesome is this? So we're coming through like Fountain Inn, I believe it is. Cut through, come from Heritage Park. The police actually come out and block off for us. It's actually super cool. See all the kids throwing out candy to the kids, man, and it's just a great time. Couldn't ask for better weather, honestly. It's almost too hot. I got my little light jacket on and it's super hot, so I don't know what's going to make it in the video or not, but I love it, guys. If you can get out and do this, man, do it. I highly recommend it. It's such a great cause. I know I've said that a couple times, but I mean, there's, you know, hundreds of bikes out here. Everybody brings a gift, man. Think about what, you know, what that's going to do for some kids' Christmas. So I love seeing all the people just waving and having a good time. It's just awesome. Should be coming up to Roper Mountain Road. It's going to be the backside of kind of Harley Davidson. Come and bring us around here. So comment below, guys. Tell me if you've ever done a toy run or anything like this. I'd love to hear about your experience. Show your bike. That's it, guys. What a great ride, man. Stopped and got some dinner after the run, but good turnout, you know, great cause, beautiful weather. Couldn't have asked for a better time. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share. I certainly appreciate it. Keep an eye out. I've got some of the mini chopper build stuff coming along, so just waiting on parts. But until next time, guys, be safe. See you on the next one.